Once upon a time, JC the nerd takes on Adrian the bully.
Nerd! Nice shirt, nerd!
Adrian didn't just bully JC, he also bullied fellow classmates.
Alright class, settle down. We've got a new exciting unit today. We're going to be talking about Pythagorean theorem.
We don't need to learn. Who even uses that stuff?
Wow. Actually, Adrian, Pythagorean theorem is very useful, and today we're going to figure out how to solve a mystery. You can do that in real life too. So be quiet back there.
I'll make you do. If you solve this math problem, I'll stop calling you a nerd. And I'll stop bullying you.
Deal, but I'm gonna need the class to watch so I can show you exactly how it's done.
Alright, JC, let's take it away.
Alright. Here, we know that the hypotenuse is 10 feet, and that's the longest side of the triangle. So, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. It says that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum squares of the other two sides.
Well, I think that's right, JC the nerd.
Here, we know that the hypotenuse is 10 feet. That's the longest side of the triangle. One of the other sides is 6 feet. We need to find the missing side, which is going to be called B.
Ha, you really think that's gonna be easy? What's next for solving B? I bet you don't even know.
Now, according to the Pythagorean theorem, we have 6 squared plus B squared equals 10 squared. So B squared is equal to 64. But now we have to square root both of the sides. The square root of 64 is 8, so B equals 8.
Very good so far, JC. That's amazing. Well done, JC. You've shown us exactly how the Pythagorean theorem works. It's a powerful tool in geometry, and I hope everyone can see how useful it is in real-life situations. Once again, you've been proven wrong, Adrian the bully.
Okay, I get it. That was just luck. I bet you $5 you can't do it again.
Be quiet or I'll make you do this.
Adrian then goes to the board to write his own problem.
Let's make this better. Let's have the base 9 feet and the hypotenuse 15 feet.
That's easy. Here, we use the Pythagorean theorem again. First, we're going to square 9 and 15. 9 squared is 81, and 15 squared is 225. Now, we subtract 81 from both sides to give us B squared. And that gives us 144. Now we have to square root again, and the square root of 144 is 12. So, B equals 12.
Wow, JC, you're really impressing the class right now. You're really showing up Adrian the bully. Alright class, today you learned that math isn't just for tests. It's for solving real problems. Keep practicing the Pythagorean theorem, and I promise you, it'll come in handy. See you all tomorrow.
Okay.
JC, looking at all these test scores and just seeing you in class, you're really succeeding. I'm really proud of you. My TA agrees with you.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Good job.
Yeah, I'm sorry about Adrian the bully. We're trying to calm him down.
It's okay. I think he'll come around.
It's just Adrian, come on, man. You really need to be nicer to JC. She's like a really good student. She's really nice, really kind. Why can't you be nice?
I'm sorry. She's just a nerd. She just knows everything. It just kind of ticks me off.
Yeah, but it's like how you know stuff about sports. She knows stuff about school. She's a very smart math student. You need to be nicer. And it's my job to teach her that. Clearly, you're not listening in class because you could be doing the same thing.
Yes, sir. I'll try my best, to change and, become friends with her instead of just bullying her.
I like that idea. Hopefully we can progress in next class. You guys can maybe sit together, work on some math problems.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Thank you, Adrian.
Hey, JC. I don't need to call you a math nerd anymore, right?
Only if you want to.
Story ends in a happy ending as JC the nerd and Adrian the bully become friends.
Remember, the Pythagorean theorem isn't just used for solving problems on paper. It's used by architects, engineers, and even in the sports field. You'll be surprised how often this comes up in the real world. Thank you for watching. Now enjoy some bloopers.
Okay.
Adrian the bully, you little punk. What?